Hello everybody, welcome to Mr. Watch channel. Sorry if it took me so long to make a video. It's hard to find a nice watch, so that's why I need you guys to subscribe and like this channel to give me more resources to find a watch, to get the watch you guys like and you guys can try, give you the best review possible. Merry Christmas everybody. Today I want to share that wonderful gift I got. This is the new Lucky Harvey, the casino watch. So a very beautiful watch. So let me open the package. It's kind of hard, that's why I'm saying I need you guys resource, you guys help to get. See, let me open. Nice package. Oh my god, yes, this is the Lucky Harvey. Very beautiful watch. I wear gloves because it's a very nice watch. This is the watch over $1,000, so very beautiful. It's coming here with the package, all the cards, the Harvey, all the warranty, everything, certificate, all of that, like all information about the watch, everything. I will not make all that. And they give you, this is kind of like, I don't want to open, but it's kind of like something to help you to play, because you can use this watch to play. This is a very beautiful watch. They made that watch regardless of Jaco, the casino watch. They give you that silver coins. Very nice. It's come with a very beautiful package. I'm just open with you guys. It's very brand new. So let's do that together. So if you guys new on this channel, please, you guys can share, subscribe and like, because I have no sponsor on this video, so you guys can get the best review possible, by subscribing and like. This is very nice, like compared to the casino watch I have another casino watch. This is different. You see you on the different side, gold color, silver, you can see this is very like a high quality. The back, they make all the numbers for the casino. This is the Lucky Harvey. This is really like the cope, like almost identical to, this is like a regular watch. You can choose the time with that. This is kind of like same thing like the Jaco. You have the press button. When you press it, see, you guys can see that you press, you release, stop, press. Just like kind of identical like the Jaco, but less expensive one of the Jaco. The Jaco we talk about, we wash over like 300,000, 400. So that one, they're like a couple thousand somewhere, 2,000, depend, but it's over like $1,000. This is a really beautiful watch. Like the packaging, you can see the luxury look. You have the Harvey. This is like wood. This is like actual wood, And the Alcantara. This look like a beautiful. I cannot take the queen, I'm sorry, but that one you can take off. I guess this is the number of the watch. You have a time, everything move. I would change the time, and you guys will see. So this is beautiful. No lie to you guys. You see, you press it. This is quick reaction. Like, you can see the quality. Like, compare for different watch. Let me come back and show you something. I just want to make a quick comparison, very quick. I remember this one. Pendu, very nice. You can see the quality of the bow is different. That one you have no button to press. You know, I mean, this is very beautiful watch too. This is still a see-through and automatic watch. It's the same automatic watch, but this is different. You see the quality of the bow, and when you press, you know, you give it different, so you can play with your friend. That's very wonderful, very beautiful. But comparison to the price, it's kind of different. That one you can get for 100 and something, somewhere 200, 250. You know, it's between 125 to 250. More like this watch, we're talking about 1,000. So with that price, you can buy at least 5 of those. So that's why you can see the difference. You can see the quality of the gold. Like, this is silver plate with gold. You know, this is a very beautiful watch. So I'll put more information on the description. Hopefully this video will help you again. This is a wonderful gift. Thank you so much for that person who gave me this gift. Merry Christmas, everybody. So for people who want information about this watch, they can put on the comments, you know, and I will give you all information I have regarding this watch. You guys can give me a little bit time to test the watch, but so far, honestly, for this price, I'm not talking about I'm talking quality, but not about strongest, you know, about robustness. You know, I'm not talking about like if this watch is strong or not. I'm just talking about the beauty, you know, the quality of the material. Just for that, I'll give this watch 9. You know, I give it a 9 on 10 because it's a very beautiful watch, a very nice quality. Like, I have a chance to see some really wonderful watch. Like, I got a chance to see a beautiful watch. Like, we talk about those Jayco, you know, to be around. So this is, you can see it's far from there, but it's not too far, to be honest. And regardless of the price, it's not bad, you know. I know it's not something everybody can get because sometimes they make like a short amount. So if you have a chance, you can buy this watch. For those people who just start to watch collection, this is the best beginning, you know. It's a very nice watch. So thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, just like, subscribe, share, and invite people. You know, please, your like and your subscription is very important for this channel. It help my channel to grow. You know, I know a lot of people watching. I have 2,000 people, 3,000 people watching this video. I only have 34 subscribers. Please subscribe. That helped me a lot and get more watches to show you. Please, thank you so much and have a wonderful day. See you. Rapidement en français, c'est une belle montre qui coûte environ entre 1 000 et 2 000 $. C'est une montre parfaite. Elle ressemble à la montre de Jacob & Co. You know, c'est un Lucky Harvey, nice package, un super package. Donc, si vous avez les moyens, vous pouvez vous l'offrir. C'est une belle montre. Je l'ai eu en cadeau. Et je remercie pour ça. Donc, pour ceux qui veulent les informations, vous pouvez mettre des commentaires en français ou en anglais. Je vous répondrai le mieux possible. Merci pour votre temps et Merry Christmas. Joyeux Noël. Et on se voit à la prochaine. Bye, guys.